Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Sentences. So, in today's video, I'm gonna give you some really exciting sentences. So, please watch this video till the end and please subscribe to my channel just down there, okay? And also give it a thumbs up if you like these sentences, okay? So, I hope you are ready. So, let's get into it. क्या मैंने तुम्हारे साथ कभी कुछ गलत किया? Have I ever done anything wrong to you? Have I ever done anything wrong to you? लेकिन तुमने मेरे लिए कभी कुछ सही भी तो नहीं किया. But you never did anything good for me either. But you never did anything good for me either. अगर हमें ये पता होता तो हम जल्दी आ गए होते. If we had known that we would have come sooner. If we had known that we would have come sooner. वो मुझसे मुश्किल से ही कभी बात करती है. She hardly ever talk to me. She hardly ever talk to me. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा पढ़ी लिखी हूँ. I am more educated than you. I am more educated than you. मेरा भी दिन आएगा. I will have my day. I will have my day. मेरे लिए मुसीबत में मत पड़ो. Don't get into trouble over me. Don't get into trouble over me. मैं अपना काम करके चला जाऊंगा. I will do the job and leave. I will do the job and leave. हमारे पास चॉइस नहीं है, हमें ये करना ही है. We don't have a choice. We have to do it. We don't have a choice. We have to do it. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था हमारा आखिर में ये हाल होगा. I never thought we would end up like this. I never thought we would end up like this. क्या तुम मुझे इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you trying to impress me? Are you trying to impress me? उसके पास पावर है, उससे पंगा मत लो. He has power, don't mess with him. He has power, don't mess with him. मैंने उससे पंगा नहीं लिया. I didn't mess with him. I didn't mess with him. ये दिखता तो बहुत सीधा साधा है. He seems to be pretty straightforward. He seems to be pretty straightforward. उसने हमारी मदद करने की पूरी कोशिश की. He did her best to help us. He did her best to help us. उसने क्या किया था? What did he do? What did he do? प्लीज़ अपने आंसू पोंछो. प्लीज़ वाइप योर टीयर. प्लीज़ वाइप योर टीयर्स. और क्या भूल गए थे तुम? What else did you forget? What else did you forget? सड़े हुए जोक्स मत मारो. Don't crack silly jokes. Don't crack silly jokes. मैंने उसे कह दिया वो नहीं जा सकती. I have told her she can't go. I have told her she can't go. तुमने अभी अभी हाँ कहा था. You just said yes. You just said yes. तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा जो मैं कहती हूँ. You will have to do what I say. You will have to do what I say. इसका मतलब तुम मुझ पर ताना मार रहे हो. That means you are taunting me. That means you are taunting me. ये धीरे धीरे खुद ठीक हो जाएगा. It will sort itself out gradually. It will sort itself out gradually. प्लीज़ मुझे बताना बंद करो कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. प्लीज़ स्टॉप टेलिंग मी व्हाट आई शुड डू. प्लीज़ स्टॉप टेलिंग मी व्हाट शुड आई डू. मैं अब बच्ची नहीं रही. आई एम नॉट अ चाइल्ड एनी मोर. आई एम नॉट अ चाइल्ड एनी मोर. क्या मैं अब जा सकती हूँ? कैन आई प्लीज़ गो? कैन आई प्लीज़ गो? हमने यहाँ वापस आकर गलती कर दी. वी मेड अ मिस्टेक कमिंग बैक हेयर. वी मेड अ मिस्टेक कमिंग बैक हेयर. इसलिए हमें एक दूसरे की ज़रूरत है. दैट्स वाई वी नीड ईच अदर. दैट्स वाई वी नीड ईच अदर. Okay, that's all for today. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. If you like these sentences, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel just down there, okay, and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, so stay happy and happy watching.